In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your, let's say, Excel tables as a CSV file in Miro. So if you create a table in Miro, and I'm going to show you how you can easily create something like this. Once you're in Miro, if you click plus on the lower left hand side, that's for tool, media, and integrations. You can simple type in, for example, Excel, and you will find tables, for example, and you can easily go ahead and create new tables if you want with the power of AI to generate whatever you want. I'm going to click back. You can simple choose tables and you can just generate whatever you want. And once you have your table, let's say you want to export it and use it into different computer or Microsoft Excel or whatever it is, you can easily go ahead and export this. And all you have to do really is click the three dots on the upper left. Scroll down in the list and you'll find export to CSV Excel, and you can easily export that. And as you can see, I've done so. Excel on my PC as well. So I'm going to open that and you will see that it's going to open up in Excel as well. Now, as it's a CSV file, it looks just like this, but you can easily go ahead and import these. So if you go to data, for example, and here it has new query, you click the drop down right here and you can import from file CSV. Then you can easily structure this much better, right? So I can say import from CSV file, and that's going to allow me now to find that document which I downloaded, let's say this one, click and import, and you can structure it, right? So it's going to allow you to import it, make it look more and so forth, and you can just simply say load, right? And you will see that it loads right in and looks much better, as you can see. So that's pretty much how you can easily do it, guys. I hope you found this useful. If you do, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.